Hello, how's it going, everyone? Just a quick vlog today. Nothing huge, because my mum has stayed at home today because she was feeling a bit ill. So, not gonna go anywhere or do anything. Just gonna stay in case mum needs me. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. And yeah, like I say, nothing huge going on today. So just kind of a quick thing to say. That's what today's video is all about. Ordinarily I wouldn't bother making one, but I said that I want to do one every day for this year, so I'm gonna. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow after work. Bye bye.